Good evening friends, welcome back. This is Ramaswamy, President and National Head of Zebu Share and Wealth Management Private Limited. Here we are to give you a post-market analysis. Today morning we have seen that in the pre-open we have clearly informed you that the gap up opening will fizzle out today. What is going to happen? What happened in the market is today market opened at 16,097 and went up to a high of 16,142 compared to a previous close of 16,044. That is, market has opened in a gap of around 50-60 points and moved above around 100 points. It moved up to 100 points, maybe 16,142, previous closing of 16,044. Compared to 16,044, market has moved up above 100 points, and the entire 100 points has been fizzled out in the market, and market closed in a negative zone, that is closed in a red. Nifty futures has closed at around 15,990 by losing 53 points, and Bank Nifty also closed in a red by 235 points. The Bank Nifty has closed at 34,931. Compared to the previous close of 35,166, it lost 235 points. We clearly noted and we clearly intimated you people today morning that this gap up is due to the small surprise given yesterday in the IIP data and inflation data. But the entire market mood is in the negative only. Until then, repeatedly we are telling this, until then market if closes above 16,250 to 300, maybe you can take it as 300. 16,300 is a major resistance level, wherein if the market closes above 16,300, then only the market will take a fresh upward move. Unless otherwise, the market will be on a sideways until it closes below 15,915. Maybe I'll show you my morning pivot table screen, wherein I clearly mentioned that 15,915, that is 15,913 is the weekly pivot, wherein weekly pivot lies as a very major support here. Today's pivot is 16,073, and we clearly told that while in the opening session, in the pre-market, that is in the morning updates, we have given that to sell Nifty by keeping around 20-25 points stop loss. But what we told is around 16,197 is the major resistance. So if you can try a sell at 16,197, but market have not turned to that level. It traded, the high today traded is 16,142. But what we said is 16,120 is a minor resistance, wherein if you can try a sell, and it went below 15,997 is a support, but it closed below the support only. And if we are seeing the data of if you are seeing the market depth in Nifty, almost 27 stocks. I'll get you clearly. 27 stocks. One sec. Sorry, 27 stocks got advanced and 23 stocks declined. In today's market, top gainers and we can see now the top gainers and top losers. In top gainers table, Divi's Lab is there, closing about 2.62% compared to the previous day's close, as well as the next top gainer is JSW Steel, and with the 2.29% gain, and third gainer is Hindustan Unilever, which is 1.94% gain, and Cipla with 1.85% gain, and Grasim with 1.66% gain. In top losers, IndusInd Bank lost is 3.13%. Closed at 820 rupees 50 paise, and HDFC Limited, the major stock in the Nifty 50 indices, closed below 2.53% compared to the previous close, and today's close was 20170.65 rupees. As well as the Bharati Airtel, continuously the second day it is closing in the red, and lost is 2.46% with 646.70 rupees. HDFC Bank again a major contributor in the NSE 50 as well as the Bank Nifty lost 2.32% and closed at 1359.55 rupees. Reliance Industries, a major player, all known that it closed 1.71% negative at a price of 2,379. So major players, major Nifty draggers are HDFC Bank and Reliance. It is a very major drop down happened today. But coming back, maybe we can see, suppose what we can see from this today, what we can witness or what we can understand from the today's market is fresh short has been got built up in the market. As per the NSE website, I'll show you in the NSE website. If you check the data of the Nifty futures contract, it clearly indicates that fresh short buildup has been initiated today. Maybe I'll show you clearly the index futures with the expiry date of 20th July 2022. The clearly in the intraday trade information, as per the trade information, the open interest has gained and the market price has came down. So as per the open interest analysis, fresh short has started building up in the market. So with the strong resistance of 16,250 to 300, you can fresh shorts have been started building up in the market. This is what the NSE data is showing. Likewise, Bank Nifty also the same category. Again, I'll show you the NSE website. One second. Bank Nifty in NSE website. Bank Nifty futures in NSE website. It also clearly indicates that a fresh short is being built up in the market as per the trade information. One second, I'll show you. Index futures, expiry date 28 July 2022. As per the trade information, it is flat, almost flat. So Bank Nifty is almost flat, and long unwinding is happened in the Bank Nifty. You see, since Bank Nifty is slightly trading in a controversy with the Nifty for the last 3-4 days, compared to the Nifty, Bank Nifty was showing some strength in the market. But today it closed in a flat zone. Compared to the previous close, it is one second. Compared to the previous close, it is yes. Compared to the previous close of 35,166, today it closed at around yes. It closed around 34,936. So hardly 190 points is the difference actually compared to the previous close. But the open interest almost got reduced to 4%. That is, the open interest is negative and the price is in a slightly negative zone. So long unwinding has been started in the market. See, in Nifty, fresh short is already started building up, and in Bank Nifty, the long unwinding is building up. This clearly shows that the market is not in a positive mood or positive way. And for tomorrow's, we can expect maybe now the Dow futures is trading almost flat with 80 points plus, and all the European markets is mixed only. But as per our view, markets may continue the negative mindset in the coming days. So be clear. Don't overtrade don't overtrade anything. Don't take fresh longs in the market. If you are in a short, continue with a small stop loss kind of thing, and you can expect a better level to trade on a daily basis in our pre-market opening. I request everyone to subscribe our Zebu school channel, and please, if you like this pre-market as well as post-closing analysis, that is not pre-market, this is opening market and post-closing market, please share with your friends and regularly keep watching to get the level of trading in Nifty and